Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're new, I'm Danielle LaRocca and I do beauty, special effects, unboxings, reviews, tutorials, all that kinds of good stuff. And today we're going to be going over what I got in PR from Pixie Beauty. So if you want to see what's in my box, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so I am opening my box. It's super cute, this packaging, and just to let you guys know, I am on Pixie Beauty's PR list. I am not paid to do this video. I am simply doing this on my own. So they sent me, inside the box is a little bag, and then in the bag we have a few things. So we have the Pixie Skin Treats Multi-Toning. So there are 3 toners in here. It's a very cute box. You have the Milky Tonic, which is a soothing toner. You have the Glow Tonic, which is the exfoliating toner, and then you have the Retinol Tonic, which is a smoothing toner. So it came with these. I'm probably going to be doing a giveaway at some point. This is the last thing in the little bag. It's super cute. Comes in its own clear bag, and you open it and you get a Glow Mud Cleanser, which, if you keep watching in this video, I actually tested the products in this bag. So, and I let you know my review, and then I'll give you a review at the end. And then we have the Glow Tonic, which I got in the other bag. And then this is the Glow Mud Mask. And then it came with Glow Tonic Cleansing Cloths. Remember, throughout this video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. I would love to hear your guys' comments down below. Do you have these products? Have you tried these products? How did they work for you? And I would love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube family that is ever growing. Also, I would love it if you would follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will pop up right here, so make sure you check that out at the end of the video. And also after this video, I would love it if you would check out my other videos on the sides that pop up. So in the next clip, you are going to see me waking up this morning and testing these products out. So let it roll. Okay, good morning. I'm here. Guys, this is real life. I just woke up. I'm in a baggy t-shirt that I sleep in, and I wanted to try this for you guys. So as I stated in the beginning of the video, which I filmed after this, I have 2 of the Glow Tonics, so I will be doing a giveaway eventually, but I figured I would test everything in this bag because in the other box they're all toners. Like I said, I just woke up. I need to wash my face and get ready for the day, so why not do it with you guys while you're here. So we have a Glow Mud Cleanser, which I will be washing my face with right now. And then there is the Glow Tonic, which I will put on after I wash my face with the cleanser. And then we have the Glow Mud Mask. You cannot see that, can you? Okay, so this is the Pixie Mud Mask, and this says to use at nighttime. Let it dry and rinse off. I mean, obviously I just woke up. I'm not going to use this one right now, but I will report back to you about this one. And then the last thing that comes in this little pouch is the Glow Tonic Cleansing Cloths. And this one, it says cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate in one easy step. These deluxe cleansing cloths sweep away dirt, oil, and makeup, leaving behind a rejuvenated complexion. So it's a makeup wipe, pretty much. You get like a little package of them. So I'm going to use this first and wipe off any residual makeup that I've had on my face from yesterday. Isn't this cute? My friend's daughter made me this scrunchie. It's super impressive. I'm really proud of her. But I am going to first use the cleansing cloth. I have to smell everything. That smells, what is that smell? It smells familiar. It says aloe vera and chamomile. Oh, I guess I can smell the aloe vera. So those feel nice and like hydrating. I don't necessarily know if I would buy these again, like when I run out of this. Okay, moving on to the cleanser. Here is what the cleanser looks like. It's like a thicker cleanser. Okay, I'm gonna wash my face and I'll be right back. Now, I have to say I liked the consistency of the cleanser. However, again, like, I didn't really like the smell of this product, to be honest. So yeah, but I mean, it felt really good on my skin. And now I am going to use the Glow Tonic toner. I'm just gonna take a cotton pad. This one smells a little bit better. I love toners. I think they really get into your skin. I do like the smell of this one, and it feels really good on the face. It doesn't like sting or anything yet. Okay guys, so I just finished with this toner, and I am going to finish off with my own moisturizer, and I'm going to do my makeup, and then when I come back I will let you know what I thought about these products. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are back, and this is my finished look after I used the products. So I have to say that I really liked the Glow Mud cleanser. I really liked the consistency of it, how thick it was, and it just felt very, it just felt really good and smooth, and I didn't get any form of breakouts or irritation using these products, which is really great. I actually really like Pixi skincare products. I have some of their makeup and I like some of it, but I really like their skincare. The other thing I used were the cleansing cloths. I really liked this. I felt like it got all that residual stuff off of my face from the night before, which is really good. And then I also really loved the Glow Tonic, and this was probably my favorite thing that I used. So if I like this one, I'm sure that I will like the other ones in this box. The only thing I did not try was the Glow Mud mask, and that's simply because I have a ton of masks right now that I need to get through, and I may be putting this in a giveaway along with this. I'm not quite sure, but make sure you stay tuned for a giveaway in the future. But overall, I really liked these skincare products. I love Pixi, like I was saying. The only thing that I didn't really like this time around about their skincare is the after smell, if that makes sense, was like a little weird to me. The products smelled good, but then like, it's kind of like an aftertaste, you know what I mean? Like when you eat something and it tastes good, but then the aftertaste, it tastes kind of weird. That's kind of how I felt with the smell of these products. I really liked the smell of them at first, but then after they kind of, what's the word, like dissipated or went away on my face, I didn't really like the after smell, but you know, maybe I'm just weird. Anyways, overall these products were really great. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked what you see. Again, if you like this video, I would really love a thumbs up, and I would love it if you would join my family. So stay tuned for other videos in the future, such as special effects, other unboxings, tutorials, hauls, and I would actually love to know what you guys would like me to do next. What would you like to see? So thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.